Oh no, morning already. Okay, just one video. After this, I will wake up. Wait, this one is funny too.
Ali, wake up! You will be late for school again. Breakfast is getting cold.
Oh no, wait! My homework notebook! I forgot to do it again!
Ali Khan, homework time. Please bring your notebook. Let's see your work today.
Sir, actually, my notebook is, missing. I think it disappeared.
Bro, be honest. You forgot it again.
Ali,
This is your...
You are a smart boy. But laziness is your biggest enemy. You must
You
change
must change this habit.
Another boring video. Wait, what is this challenge? 30 days can change a life?
Hey bro, did you see that video? The 30-day challenge thing? Everyone online is trying it.
Come on, Ryan. This is fake. No challenge can change someone. People just make videos for views.
Oh, really? Or maybe you are just too lazy. I bet you can't finish it.
Too lazy? Me? That sounds like a challenge. Fine, I will do it.
Oh, wow. Look who is confident now. 30 days is a long time. Don't quit after 2 days.
All right, starting tomorrow. 30 days of good habits. Let's see what happens.
Okay, bro. I will watch carefully. This will be interesting. Good luck. You will need it.
Today is the challenge. I will wake up early. Day 1 will be perfect.
Ali! Are you awake? Come on, bro. First day of the challenge.
Ali! Wake up now! Ryan is here already. You will be late for school.
Good morning, Auntie. But he is still sleeping.
Oh no, what time is it? I overslept again. My challenge is already failing. Bro, look at you. Day 1 and you already lost. This challenge will be fun to watch.
Why are we here so early? My body is still sleeping. This is not a good idea.
Come on, bro. Day 2, exercise challenge. Let's start with jogging. This is not a good idea.
Wait, slow down. I can't breathe properly. My legs are shaking.
Seriously? We just started running. Seriously? We just started running. You are already tired.
I think I'm dying. This is too much for me. Call for help.
You ran for 2 minutes. Only 2 minutes. My little cousin runs more than this.
Okay, I will not quit. I will try again. This challenge is not over.
That's better. Start small, bro. Let's walk first, then run. Today is day 3. I need to do something good. But what should I do? Good question. Maybe help someone today. Simple, but powerful.
Hey, look at that uncle. He is struggling with those bags. Maybe I should help him.
Yes, go ahead. This is your moment. Don't think too much. Uncle, let me help you. These bags look heavy.
Thank you, son. May Allah bless you.
That felt really nice. I feel different today. Maybe this challenge works. See? Good actions feel good. You did great today.
Oh, I woke up on time. This feels new. I didn't press snooze today.
Wow, look at you. No snooze button today. I'm impressed, bro.
Okay, 1 hour study. No distractions today.
Bro, this is too serious. You are studying like a machine.
See? This is simple. You just solve step by step. Now try it yourself.
Wait, is that you?
Ali, I see improvement. Your work is getting better. Keep going like this.
Thank you, sir. I am trying my best. I will not stop now.
I feel so exhausted. This is getting too hard. I don't think I can continue. Hey, what happened? You were doing so well. Why do you want to stop now? I am tired every day. I don't see big results.
Maybe this is useless.
Listen carefully. Change takes time. You can't rush it.
Maybe I am not strong. I always quit things. No, that's not true. You already changed a lot.
I came this far. I cannot stop now. I will finish this challenge.
Today is day 20 for 5. I want to do something big. I will clean this park.
Big idea. But where are the people? It's just us here.
It's okay if no one comes. I will still do it, one step at a time. All right, I see your point. You are serious about this. I will help you too.
Wait, more people are coming. They are helping us. I didn't expect this.
See what you started. Your action inspired them. This is your impact. We actually did it. The park looks amazing now. This feels unbelievable.
You didn't just clean a park. Today is day 30. I completed the challenge. I can't believe it.
Not bad, bro. I am impressed.
30 days ago, I was lazy and careless. I always made excuses.
Yeah, I remember that guy. He loved sleeping a lot.
I am not perfect now, but I am better than before.
And I will keep improving.
That's what matters. Progress, not perfection.
You don't need a big change. Start with small daily habits. And never give up. One step every day.